Hi guys, this is just a little video of my morning on this wet morning as we were preparing the house for a viewing because we're selling our house as we've managed to secure another house, and this is sold but the person's selling it on, or the company. So this is just the few hours I spent doing a clean on the house. I am a busy working mum, so the house by the weekend can get quite chaotic. But we like to do a good weekend reset, get the house tidy. So I tackled a few jobs, like here you can see I'm folding washing, got that sorted, got it all ironed. Oh my, yeah, good fun and games. Here we are ironing. Oh, the boys, as you do when you're cleaning, kids come in and out, need things, make more mess, but that's just parent life, isn't it? Who can relate to that? Just life. Absolutely love today getting all this done. It was nice just to get there and get the house right. There we go. I'd got changed by this point. I did go and get ready for the day, and the little girl wanted to go to the shop, so we did that. On the move, we have a lovely house that we've managed to secure. We don't really want to move from this house, but it's just too small and we can't do the work on it we need to create 4 decent sized bedrooms for the kids. They need their own space. There's 3 years between them, each of them, the eldest, middle, and then the youngest, roughly 3 years, and we just need that space. So we've managed to secure a brand new house that's currently being built. They're buying our house from us, hence it's been sold, and someone wanted to view it today, which is great. So this is me getting it ready because Gav was at work, so on my own, doing a full house clean, which I don't actually mind doing, and the kids were quite good. The boys did their bedroom. They got a bit stressed with each other, but they got it clean. It's tidy, nice calm space. Just love getting rid of all the mess. Just great. The kitchen I probably spent the longest on. This is all sped up as well. This is a time lapse, I should say. That's under the stairs. That space is crazy. Everything seems to have just got put there for some crazy reason. I don't know what it is, why we've just dumped everything, but you know, it all got sorted, all got a good clean, all got put back. It's not as tidy as I would have liked it, but you know, I got rid of all the bits of rubbish that we didn't need and all that stuff, put stuff back under there, cleared out the rubbish. Ended up filling a full bag of rubbish today, so good to start clearing out for the big move, which is, what we need to do. There we go, onto the lounge. That wasn't too bad, as Gav had given the house a clean actually, but I just wanted an extra sort of clean. It's got all these Easter eggs. Oh my god, there's Easter eggs everywhere in our house. Kids love them, but yeah, I don't know what's going on in that cupboard. Yes, it does. Absolutely love it. So I hope you guys are having a lovely weekend. Hopefully it's a lot more relaxed than what mine is. Now this is done, it means I can enjoy the weekend and just have some downtime. However, still more ironing to do, more washing. Tomorrow we have to go to decide our kitchens and tiles and things for the new house. Not sure I'm looking forward to that because both of us have different sort of visions of what we want, but we'll have a look at it and I'm sure we'll agree. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to make those decisions. Little Emily there, being how she is. I cleaned all the windows and the door at the front. I did the same out back as well, and I will say this video doesn't show everything I did. I've just shown sort of portions of what I did, because when someone's coming around your house, you just want to make sure it's nice and tidy for them and clean. Even if they don't buy it, I just, want to show people that we do keep our house clean. Unfortunately with kids it just takes a day and you need to do another reset to the house. Emily there, bless her, she just wanted to tidy her room on her own, and to be fair I just gave her a little bit of help and vacuumed it for her so it was nice and tidy so she could enjoy it and be clean. Bless her, Mrs. Little Independent. And everything away. We do love this house, as I've said, but it's just not quite big enough for what we need as our family has expanded. We've owned this house for a long time, our first house we only lived in for about a year, and then we decided we wanted something with a bit more space, because that was only a 2-bedroom. And then we bought this house, and then we welcomed Corey into the world here, which, as I was cleaning, I was just thinking about all the memories. Take care, guys. Remember to like.